What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some crab roll sandwiches. I can't wait to get my pinchers on them, so let's go, shall we? Ooh. That's right, buddy, the crab roll. And I'm not talking about when all the Eugene crabs trips and falls down the hill. I'm talking about a nice little open sandwich that it's kind of a Mediterranean deal. And you know, it is summertime and a couple days till my birthday. And since I can't take no big fancy trip, I figured I'll take a trip with my gut, with my culinary skills here and make a little Mediterranean feel, make it feel like I'm out there in Boston hanging out at Cheers. So, first thing that you gotta do to get this started, get you some crabs. And I'm not talking about the kind that you might have picked up in the Cheers bathroom, if you know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the good kind that you want in the house, but good. So, go ahead and take your crab, and today I just kind of got some crab flake, the pre-made kind, ready to go. Save you some time. You're saying to yourself like, oh, could you get some crab, like the Deadliest Catch and shit, you know, that big old crab, and break it down and cook it yourself and be a cordon bleu, some bitch? Well, you could, but you know me, I can tell you that shit's up. This is the way we're going to do it today. Now, put your crab in the bowl, put it in there cold, and go ahead and get you some celery, that good stuff, you know. You eat all your vegetables, then you can go outside for extra recess. So, take that celery and cut it up real fine, you know, real good thin consistency, because you don't want no big chunks in this shit. You want that good. So, go ahead and put the celery in there on the top, and then we are going to let it whip like the Daz band, and we're going to put that Miracle Whip in there. Speaking of miracles, how about a miracle for the taste buds for myself? A little mango, babe. Wow, that's good. So, Miracle Whip. Last thing that you need to do is add just a little pickle juice, and that's just going to kind of give it a little sweet, sour, acidity deal in there. So, once you got all that in there, I want you to stir that around, make sure everything's evenly coated, and you can sing 99, sleep real tight. I'm about to have a big old bite. So, then, got those done. Get you some onions cut up that you're going to use as a topping later on. Cut them up finely, just like you did the celery there. And now, we about ready to put all this stuff together. So, I want you to take your knife, and today I've got some white sub rolls. Now, you could get, actually what they use traditionally is a split top roll, but since I live down here in the boonies, I didn't have it. So, I'm going to take this roll, I'm going to cut it like this, and I'm not going to cut it all the way open because I don't want all that stuff falling out because it's good. And, yeah, you want to hold on to it. Hold on tightly, hold on sweetly. So, that's pretty good right there. Now, let's go ahead and put a little lettuce in there if we can. Just along the bottom, not too much for me. But you can use as much as you want because it's your shit. So, go ahead and get you a spoon. And it can be the spoon that you mix with. That's what I'm doing. And get you a big old flop of that crab mixture that you got. Woo! Look at that stuff. That just looks high dollar. I feel like the damn Monopoly man out here. So, put that right on the top. Looking good, looking beautiful. Next thing that you need to do. Let's have some of them pickles. Once again, just to give us that sweet. So, you know my rule. 3 is enough out here looking like a stoplight. A pickle stoplight. It says, hold on there, buddy. You don't want to get no ticket for being too sexy. So, last but not least, let's go ahead and sprinkle some of them red onions right on top. And what do you know, buddy boy? There it is. The crab roll. Rolled up and ready to go. So, let's go ahead and have us a sight. And we're going to look at it right and get ready for that big, beautiful birthday bite tonight. Oh! baby, the time has come. The crab roll is done. And I'm having that first bite for the birthday boy. Look at that there. Ooh, so, how to prepare. My goodness. Man. Let me tell you about that. That's fresh, man. You got the acidity of the pickles, the little spiciness coming from the onions, and that good, creamy crab mixture. Just delicious, baby. Fantastic. And I want to thank all of you fantastic people for joining me on another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. So, y'all have a good one. Enjoy that crab roll. And I'll see you next time. So, pardon me.